So let's put the Leo together and see how it looks. Begin with the legs. There's this side of the leg here. And this. Okay. That goes right there. Then we have right arm, left arm, and then the body. And there you go. Mass-produced Leo is now complete. One of the greatest mass-produced cannon fodder mobile suits ever built. Second only to Zachary 2. Very nice. Wow. It's a long time coming to getting these. Let me position this camera a little bit better so you guys can see this. Much better. Very posable, as you can see there. Let's see if I can balance it on its leg. It's like, yay! I can balance. Nice. Like I said before, this thing is annoying because it keeps popping out. I'm hoping that when I paint it, it'll be a little bit more tighter. Good flexibility on the arms, posability I mean. Very nice. Make it like a boxing type unit, you could say. Pretty cool. And let's get the Dover gun here. Not the Dover, sorry. The machine gun. The 105 machine gun, by the way. And to do the effect of it holding the gun, you're going to need to turn it like that. You may have to remove the hand, but you can always remove the top part of this. Come on, thank you. Put it like that's this way. Put it like that. Then put this here, like so. There we go. There we go. So it's there, trying to take on any mobile suit and defeating them until it gets sliced, blown up, or shot to shit by any of the Wing Gundam mobile units. Now, there is this part, which is basically an optional part, because this is not something that will stay on. You have to remove this part, which we're going to do right now. Let's take the hand off. I think the machine gun can fire without an extra hand holding it. There we go. Then you just remove this from here, and then put the same thing here. You clip this on, like so. There we go. And this acts as a shield, and also the beam saber hilt holder, which I'm going to pull on one right now. Come on. Which is a little too tight, if you ask me. And I might as well cut one of the beam effect parts off. There we go. Put this here. And put this here. Nice. Very nice. I like this. I have to admit, this is an enjoyable build, especially at this price, at this scale, how easy it is. I can't complain. Really cannot complain. But of course, we all have our preferences, our little, you know, things that bother us. For starters, obviously, I'm not a big fan of this, but it's understandable. It's an optional part, so it's actually supposed to be used for the mobile suit that's for close range combat. We've only seen 2 weapons that the Leo has used: the Dober gun, the machine gun, and the Dober gun, which I keep saying. And it's a shame that the Dober gun was not introduced into this kit. Maybe we'll see it as an parts, expanded part set. Maybe, if Bandai was smart, considering that we get the Hobby Japan magazines or the Gundam Ace magazines, they could always add it as an extra part for, the Dober gun to be placed here. Also the shoulder cannons, which is used by, I guess, commander types. The flight pack, which was only used in 1 episode. That massive beam gun that was used under, and of course I think there was the bazooka, the custom bazooka. These are weaponry that were only used once in the series. And if Bandai did that, that would be great. Instead, we may end up getting it as P Bandai, but who knows? It's an idea that if somebody from Bandai is listening, you could try that. Another thing that maybe should have benefited from this kit is optional hands, like an open hand or like a manipulator type hand that's open or things like that. I've seen people on Facebook take custom hands and put them on this, which will work. And I may end up getting that, but maybe not. Not a big fan of it. These hands almost look similar to the Jim hands, so this could benefit from that. Who knows? Who knows? And no, this is still an amazing looking kit. I like it. I really do. And of course, let's show off the other guys. Here's Leo number 2. And here's Leo number 3. This will be a team effort, of course, with the weaponry and all that stuff. We're going to have a nice little battle here and there. I have a lot of ideas with the painting, which I definitely can't wait to try. Decals, I have a whole new set of decals that I can't wait to experiment and try out. This will be a great custom kit to build, and I hope you guys are ready for this. Really am. I'm all psyched for it. So let me get this kit taken apart, and we're going to begin customizing, painting this guy. I just got to finish sanding off some of the parts that I didn't sand off. Then we'll get them in sprues and all that stuff, and then we'll begin the painting phase. So stay tuned. I was so excited with all this. I began to prepare my video for this, and I was going to post it, but I had to take it down and redo a little, do something here right now, because I'm kind of like, even though I'm prepared to paint this guy and these guys and customize and all that stuff, I feel that there should be more. Me making the Leo. This has been a very, this kit is so good. I can't wait to build it and paint it and all that. I mean, it's built, I'm sorry, but I can't wait to paint it and all that stuff. And I want to do it right. I really do. I know I can do it with the painting, but I think it should have more. And in my frustration of thinking of how to do this and how to turn it out and how to make it and all that stuff, sometimes in my desperation of thinking about this, I always seem to get an idea.